MusicGlue Musicians Distribution Platform Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the platform and relevant tools are in the description. Let's jump right into what MusicGlue offers, who it's designed for, and whether it's worth your time. MusicGlue is a platform that provides independent musicians with a streamlined way to sell music, merchandise, and concert tickets directly to their fans. It's a great solution for artists looking to monetize their fan base outside of traditional streaming revenue, offering the ability to set up custom storefronts that integrate with music streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and more. What makes MusicGlue stand out is its focus on e-commerce. Artists can easily sell physical merchandise like vinyl, CDs, and exclusive items, as well as digital products like albums and singles. The platform even provides a built-in ticketing system for artists who perform live, enabling them to sell tickets directly to their audience without relying on third-party vendors. A major strength of MusicGlue is the complete control it offers artists over their sales, meaning they keep 100% of the profits from their online store. The platform is also designed to make the entire process as simple as possible, with an intuitive interface that allows musicians to create a professional-looking store quickly and easily. Beyond merchandise, MusicGlue also supports integration with social media, so artists can promote new releases and sales across their networks with minimal effort. It's especially useful for independent musicians who want a hassle-free way to manage both music and merchandise sales in one place. Who is it for? MusicGlue is tailored for independent artists, bands, or labels who want to manage both their digital and physical sales directly with fans, and for musicians who perform live and need an efficient ticketing solution. Strengths? First, 100% of profits go to the artist. Second, it's an all-in-one solution for music, merch, and ticket sales. Third, the ease of use and customization options for storefronts are top-notch. Weaknesses? While MusicGlue excels at e-commerce, it doesn't handle traditional music distribution to streaming platforms, so artists will need to use another distributor for that. Additionally, while the platform provides tools for fan engagement, it lacks built-in promotional tools to drive traffic to your store. Final verdict: MusicGlue is a powerful tool for musicians looking to take control of their sales and directly engage with their fan base. However, it's not a complete distribution platform on its own, so you'll need to use additional services for streaming. Check out the links in the description to see if MusicGlue fits your needs.